This is Math Lesson 1.6, Add in Any Order. And at the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can tell why numbers can be added in any order. So if we look, I have two problems. I have 3 plus 2, and I have 2 plus 3. So I'm going to use my cubes, and I'm going to do my 3 in red. So I have 1, 2, 3. Red. And I have 2 blue. One, 2. 3 red and 2 blue. On this one, I'm going to start with my 2 blue. One, 2, and then I'm going to do my 3 red. 1, 2, 3. So if I look at them, I can see, and I want to count and see how many I have all together. I can see on this side that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 on this side altogether. And on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also have 5 altogether. So the sum of both of these is 5. And if you notice, they're the same number. 5, 5, and 5. So the numbers that we are adding are called add-ins. Add-ins are numbers that we add. We're adding 3 and we're adding 2. We're adding 2 and we're adding 3. But if you notice, the numbers just change spots. I started with a 3, and that's my second number I added, my second one. And I have a 2, and I have a 2. So I have the same numbers, I just flipped their position. So let's try another one. Let's see how many I have. I have 1 red plus 3 blue equals 4 altogether. Let's look at this one. I have 3 red plus 3 blue plus 1 red equals 4 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I were to take these and grab them and change the orientation and move them up and down, and I could compare them to each other. I'm going to grab this one, and we'll change it to a tower, and then I'm going to move this tower over here. And I can see that both towers are the same size. They each have 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, the sum is how many we have all together. The addends are the numbers that we add. Let's try one more. Let's look at our problem. How many red do you see over here? If you said 2, great job. Plus, how many blue do you see? If you said 4, awesome. And we want to know how much that's going to equal. So, how many do we have all together? Remember, you can count your cubes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you thought it was 6, great job. So let's go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 blue plus how many red? 2. Good job. Equals, well, if we had 2 and 4 over here, and we have 4 and 2 over here, how many does that equal? You are right. It is equal to 6. So remember, your sum is the same for both of these. The sum is 6 on both of these. And the addends, which are the numbers that we add, are also the same. I have, for my addends, I have a 2 and a 2. They just switched places. Sometimes we call it a flip-flop fact or a turnaround fact. And I have a 4 and a 4 because we changed the positions between the two towers. Awesome job working today.